Ponzu sauce. Material: soy sauce 500 milliliters, fruit juice 500 milliliters, mirin 200 milliliters, 60 grams of dried bonito kelp 8 to 10 grams. Asterisk, fruit juice refers to citrus fruits such as sudachi, kabosu, date, yuzu, etc. Light the pot and add the mirin. Boil. Add soy sauce. Boil. Put in kelp. Add a bonito section. Boil. Stop the fire. Add juice. Cool. Transfer to a sealed container. Put in the refrigerator. It can be eaten after 1 day. If you like, in the refrigerator as it is, and aged for several months to 1 year. It will be finished with mellow and delicious ponzu. It is very delicious when it is served with hot pot dishes and sashimi, etc.